This is an electric field. Look at the pointing directions, they are all same and they are equally spaced. Now place an electric dipole, that is 2 point charges plus or minus sign, and they will experience a forces in opposite direction. Now what happens? It starts to rotate. Look at the charges and the interaction with the field lines. The total charges in case of two charges are 0, net force is 0, and hence it aligns along the direction of the external electric field. Now the plus QE and minus QE charges always tends to rotate that dipole along the direction of the external electric field. If the direction of the dipole with the electric field is theta and the dipole length is 2a, then the torque is QE into 2a sin theta.